welcome back to another video on Cars Enthusiast channel. I'm here to show you another fail of mine that I just did. I was supposed to tint my windows, but I'm gonna show you the results. It's not that good.
Alright, so I bought this kit here. The window tinting. It's quite cheap. A little stuff here, as you can see. But I'll start using them.
Coffee break. coffee break. I have a small trick for you drivers out there. Maybe you know it, maybe you don't, but I'm gonna show you just a small trick to adjust your side mirrors the best way. So if you look at the mirror, you just have to, being in my position as a driver, you just have to adjust it with the handle of the door to be here in this corner, down the corner downwards next to you, and you can do that just like so. You can see better. There you go. Everything is okay. So just by doing that, you will have the visuals, alongside the car, and you won't hit the curbs, or you will see better the cars behind you, or the cars that they are trying to pass you, and you will be a better driver. I also got the new channel cup, as you can see here. This is the better view. Yep, I love it. I love how it looks. So practically what you do is go on the link that I'll leave in the description down, and you just send a picture of whatever you want to print out on the cup, and in about a week or so you will get it back, and it really looks perfect. Trust me. And again, I'm not sponsored by anyone, I'm just giving you a small tip, about this thing that I like and enjoy. So if you want, just do that. It's very cheap, and you will have something to enjoy every morning. Add a coffee or so, or tea, whatever you want to drink in the morning. Yeah. If you can spot the difference. Pretty dirty window, but this is the naked window, and this one is the tinted one. They have some issues, like here, if you can see it, or down here in the other corner. Some at the bottom here. This one actually looks perfect. This one as well. But if you get in the back, you will see what I'm talking about. The rear window is not straight. It's curved, and because of that, all of these happened. So yeah, please save some money and go to a professional. Here, some bubbles. Small one here went really decent. This one, it's just bubbles here. You can't see it, but anyway, I was there. Another one, small here. So yeah. That's the actual thing that you can do by yourself, but please go to a professional. Coffee break. So these are the results, and if I would be to lie myself, I would have said it's pretty decent, but the thing is, I really hate how it turned up, and final result. And well, to be honest with you, I'll give you a piece of advice. Please pay some extra money and go to don't try and do this by yourself. Like, don't do a DIY thing with tinting windows. Just pay some extra money, like save some money, and go to a professional shop, because they will do the best job that you could possibly have on your car. So this is not what you're supposed to do, because things get tricky, and I had to find out by the hard way, because this was my first time, my first attempt ever to do this, and I had no help, and well, you saw what it came out of non-experience. So I definitely recommend for the car guys, just go to a professional shop to tint your windows, because otherwise it gets messy and you won't like the results. So just because I failed once again with DIY things, I decided to buy for my C70 T5 some wheel spacers, and as you can see right now, it looked like this, and they're beautiful. There's two of them here. And I'm gonna show you in a next video, in a different video, the before and after, how my T5 will look like with those spacers, and I'm gonna show you my V60 after in another video as well. So stay tuned for more content. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe if you haven't done it already, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.